Of all of Earth's most precious ecosystems, arguably none are quite as famous as the Amazon rainforest. Spread across 8 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Guyana, Ecuador, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon represents nearly a third of all tropical rainforests, spanning an area twice the size of India. Not only is it renowned for its vibrant biodiversity, but it is also critical to our climate. But the Amazon is just one of the world's many rainforests, each playing a pivotal role in the planet's health. Across the South Atlantic Ocean, the Congo Basin rainforest covers an enormous 288 million hectares. With 60% of the forest found in the Democratic Republic of Congo (DRC). Further east, Southeast Asia is also rich in tropical forests. Rainforests are also home to an estimated 50 million people, with more than 1 billion people depending on them for their livelihoods. Recognition of indigenous land rights and formalization of land ownership is one of the best ways to secure the future of the world's rainforests. But how do rainforests work, and why are they so special? Most of the world's rainforest is found in the tropics. Between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, which cover 40% of the world's land area and contain 78% of all species. Rainforest trees are specially adapted to their environment, creating a hyper-diverse ecosystem. This immense diversity applies to human culture. In the rainforest as well, with nearly 5,000 different languages spoken. Why are rainforests so important to our planet? Rainforests play a critical role as a carbon sink, storing 1/4 of the carbon in our terrestrial biosphere, helping regulate the Earth's climate. Deforestation remains a significant threat, with agriculture driving 90% of it. Many initiatives exist to halt forest destruction, but it's time to introduce stronger legal protections. To achieve net zero, we must urgently protect the world's rainforests and those who call them home. Join us in the fight to preserve these vital ecosystems for generations to come.